combined with the passion for progress that underscores this entire event, YHS 2021 is a completely virtual summit. There's no show without its stars. Our speakers and panelists are some of the best and brightest in their fields. Coming from numerous different backgrounds, industries, and countries, each one of this week's speakers has a unique light to shed on the most important topics in our world. We are delighted to welcome Mr. Craig Kogut, the founder, chairman, and CEO of Pegasus Capital Advisors. Here we have Peter Brennan of IHG Hotels and Resorts. Mr. Bill Bensley, who is known to some as the Willy Wonka of hotel design.
Certainly in terms of forward projections, we really can expect this new way of approaching travel.
Traditional ways of working have had to be quickly reassessed as we pivoted to find new, safe ways to run our hotels, care for our colleagues, our owners, and our guests.
This notion of care and trust, more than ever, will be fundamental to the needs of our guests, of any travelers in the future. And I think it will be fundamental to this notion of luxury hospitality.
Never let the truth stay in the way of a great story.
Different businesses will go at different pace with different accomplishments, but it's okay as long as companies and organizations are moving forward.
What we are talking here is about human-centric internet. For first time, the internet is going to be around the human are going to be in the center of gravity.
AI machine learning is there to improve and speed up the process. It's not necessarily that it takes it away. It just shifts it to other areas where the human can be more valuable.
Start today, find your voice, and just go for it.
The winner of the IHG Hotels and Resorts Challenge for YHS 2021 is the Hotelier Heroes with the Green on Heights project. Congratulations.